Hi, here is my first video. Today I will show you how to create a simple 2D animation in Adobe After Effects. Let's check it out. Hey, I am using an underwater background with some small fish and a turtle in it. I obtained this Illustrator file from FreePic, and I have provided the link to the file in the description. First of all, we need to release the layers from the main layer group and then import them into our Adobe After Effects. In the next video, I will show you how to release a layer from the main layer in Adobe Illustrator. Create a new composition, then import our Illustrator file. It will appear as a pre-composed file where we can see the separate layers. Now we can start animating it. First of all, let's animate the water plants. Select the plant layer, go to Effects and Presets and search for CC Bend It. Double-click on it or drag and drop it onto the effects control of the selected layer. Adjust the starting and ending points. Set the time indicator to 0 seconds and add a keyframe to the bend. Then add another keyframe at 2 seconds and adjust the bend value. You may notice some parts being cut off. Hey, to fix that, we can use another effect called Grow Bounds. Search for it in Effects and Presets, place it on top of the CC Bend It effect, and adjust the pixels value. There you go. Now we can apply bend animations to the remaining plants. Next, let's animate the waves. I pre-composed the waves, and now we can animate them one by one. Select the wave layer, then add the turbulence effect from the Effects and Presets to this layer. Set the time indicator to 0 seconds, add a keyframe for the amount parameter, and then move the time indicator to the last seconds. Increase the value of the amount parameter to observe the changes. Additionally, add a keyframe for the evolution parameter at 0 seconds. To view all the keyframes added to different parameters, press U to reveal the keyframes. Adjust the value of the evolution parameter at the last second. Next, adjust the size and add keyframes to change the values. Feel free to adjust the values according to your preferences. If the animation is too slow, modify the keyframes accordingly. You can follow the same process for the remaining wave layers. Great! Now let's animate the turtle. I have pre-composed the turtle so we can begin animating it. To animate the turtle's legs, we can use the CC Bend It effect. Go to Effects and Presets and search for CC Bend It. Drag and drop it onto the turtle layer. Adjust the starting and ending points of the bend effect. Set a keyframe for the bend at the 0 second mark, and then on the 3rd second, adjust the value. The keyframe will automatically form between those points. From here, we can adjust the keyframes and easily copy and paste them. Repeat this process for the remaining legs. Great! Moving on to the fish, I have pre-composed them into one layer. Now, we can start moving the fish. Select all the fish layers and press P to access the position properties. Add a keyframe at 0 seconds and another keyframe at the last seconds. This will allow us to move the positions of each individual fish. Great. Now let's move the turtle as well. Since we have only animated the legs of the turtle so far, pre-compose the turtle layer and change its position. Add a keyframe at 0 seconds and another keyframe at the last seconds. Then, move the turtle to its desired position. And both the turtle and the fish are moving in the same direction. We can put the turtle in the opposite direction. Return to the sea night scene and flip the turtle layer horizontally. And there you have it. Great. Moving on to add the submarine, let's create a light source to illuminate the dark parts. Start by duplicating the pre-composed layer Sea Night, which contains all the layers. Select the duplicate layer and go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for curves and drag and drop it onto the Effects control panel. Adjust the RGB values until your video achieves the desired warm shade. I missed one step earlier, which is to include the front stone layer in the main composition. Bring the front stone layer into the main composition. To adjust the color, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for curves. Drag and drop it onto the Effects control panel and make the necessary adjustments to the curves. Perfect. Port the submarine, drag and drop it into the main sea composition. Place it underneath the front stone layer. Next, pre-compose both the submarine layer and the color changed layer. To enter the pre-composed composition, double-click on it. Now let's mask the background layer. Select the pen tool from the toolbar and draw the desired mask shape. To check if it looks good or not, we can go back to the main composition. Now we can animate the submarine. Select the submarine layer and press P for position. Add a keyframe at 0 seconds and another keyframe at the last seconds, then move the submarine accordingly. Similarly, apply the same approach to the mask layer of the background. Select the mask and move it in sync with the submarine's movements. Additionally, you can create up and down movements for the light source. Feel free to add your own creative ideas to enhance the animation. Finally, let's add some bubbles and ripples to complete the scene. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. See you in another video. Bye!